Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, September 16th. The Zen story for today is titled The One Who Carried Her. The river had overrun its banks, slow and swollen from last week's storms. The crossing stones were buried. The current, though lazy, pulled with a silent promise. She stood at the edge, robes soaked to the knee, a pack on her back, sandals in hand. She looked like someone who had walked a long way without much hope left. Looks like she's stuck, said the monkey. The monk said nothing. They stepped closer. The woman turned, bowed. I need to reach the other side. There is no bridge, the monkey said, and you're not exactly a swimmer. She said nothing, just stared at the far shore. The monk removed his sandals, tightened his belt, and gestured for her to climb on his back. She did. He waded slowly into the water. The current pressed against, but he kept his balance. The monkey hopped from rock to rock beside them, tail twitching nervously. On the other side, the monk set the woman down. She bowed again. Thank you. Then she walked on. The monkey watched her go, arms crossed. They resumed walking. After half an hour, the monkey exploded. You're not even going to talk about it? We have rules, vows, boundaries. You don't just carry someone like that. The monk kept walking. She didn't even say anything interesting. What if she was a trick? A distraction? I put her down at the river, the monk said quietly. He didn't look back. But the monkey did, as if expecting to see her still there, carried now by something else entirely. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What weight are you still carrying, even though you've already set it down? What weight are you still carrying, even though you've already set it down? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you breathing? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What weight are you still carrying, even though you've already set it down? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, so I will see you on Thursday.